Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Adnan. We had a chat quite a while ago on WhatsApp. In this video, I will show you an Android Bulk SMS Sender. Let's explore its features and learn how to use it. It is very straightforward, user-friendly, easy to understand and simple to use. Let me explain how you can connect it to your Android mobile phone. When you receive the file, you will find one software and second APK app. You need to install software on your PC and the APK app should be installed on your Android mobile phone. Next, you will need to connect both devices using the same Wi-Fi network. Once you download and install APK app on your Android mobile phone, it will display features like these. Next, click on Start Server and your host IP ID will be set up here. Next, click here to add Android phone, enter host IP to connect, and here you have to put host IP number from here 192.168.241.174 and click on add. Here you can see device is successfully connected and you have to click on OK and your status will be updated here. It will show connected here. Okay, now you have to click on select device and send messages. Now please don't turn off this mobile app, otherwise the server will disconnect. Okay, here is step 2, add numbers. Here you can add number one by one, like I am adding mine. Click to add phone number list and here you can add prefix like country code. Pakistan. Here you can see, and here you can add fields and other things. Here is import number from list or file. You can import number from file here, like this. And you can remove duplicate from here and remove all here, remove selected from here, like this. And here you can send personalized SMS to every number using Excel file. You can create an Excel file with their number and their name and message what you want to send them. This is step number 3, add SMS text. You can add your promotion message or everything here. And this is SMS setting. You can set delay from here, like I want to phase for 30 seconds after every 2 SMS. Okay, you can add your signature here. I will not. You can deregister your application from here. Don't try this. And apply this to all SMS and click and uncheck this fast mode. Uncheck to get enhanced SMS delivery report. Okay, uncheck this and click to send SMS. Message has been sent. I receive a message. You can view current section sent. Here I send 2 messages now, and you can also view in your inbox, like I sent first message on 6:30. Here you can see sent from SMS sender modem pro, and I send second message at 6:38, and you can review my inbox too. I received message at 6:30 am and second message at 6:38 am. Okay, so you can Also check your log from here. You can see it's easy and simple to understand and use it. You can found here tools, its tools, and you can add your SMS template here. Like I am typing second SMS template, click on save, and here is your second SMS template. Okay, when you want to insert it, click here first template or second template, click to insert. Here is your SMS. Apply this to all and send SMS. Mean no need to write again and again your SMS. You can save template here. So this is Android Bulk SMS Sender.